Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Ragini S.S. Swami YouTube channel. Today's topic is what are the problems you are going to face while you are talking to someone in English language. Here are some list. So problem number 1, understanding level. Under the understanding level, I list out 3 points. What are those points? Point number 1, you are unable to understand those vocabularies of that person. Point number 2, pronunciation style of that person. If it is westernized, it is very difficult to understand. Point number 3, you can't able to catch those points because they talk very fast. Problem number 2, you want to be replied to him or her in English language, but you don't know how to respond to them in English. Problem number 3, you are ready to talk with them. When you are talking, you do the fumble. Problem number 4, when you do the fumble, you feel hesitation. Then you gradually you stop to converse with them because you have that hesitation. That hesitation make you to become down. So these are the problems you are going to face when you are talking to someone. For removing all these problems, only one solution, that is practice. So you do the practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I think it is very useful to you all. I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell button. You will get all the notifications of my YouTube channel. Please like and share this video. Again, I will come with new topic in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.